create professional social media posts using Canva in minutes. Let me show you how to design a stunning Instagram post in just a few minutes using Canva. It's free, beginner-friendly, and perfect for freelancers. First, open your browser and head to canva.com. If you don't have an account, click the Sign Up button on the top right corner and create one. It's free. Next, choose a template. Once you've logged in, type Instagram post in the search bar at the top right. Click on the result and you'll see hundreds of templates. Pick one you like by hovering over it and clicking Customize this template. Next, edit the design. Now you're in Editor, click on the text box to change the text. Just type in your message. Want to change the image? Click it on and then hit Replace in the toolbar and choose a photo from the Canva free image library. To adjust the colors, click on any element and use Color Picker at the top. Now download your design. Once you're happy with the design, go to the top right corner and click Share. Then click Download to choose your preferred file format. I recommend PNG for quality and hit the download button. And that's it. Your design is ready to post on Instagram. A successful freelancer is a visible one. Build your social media platform and grow. Thank you for watching. Until next time, be freelantastic.